So from the living room, we are going to leave this wall behind me in place. We've got this is the fireplace wall. Now, going from here, we're going to be able to walk into this little office. This office off to the side is going to stay in place for the most part. We're going to leave the fireplace, or currently we plan on leaving the fireplace in place. This was used as, like, it looks like it was an old porch that was converted. We're going to convert this into an office slash sunroom. So right now we have these French doors behind me. We are going to convert these into windows. That way you can have a desk in this place. Plenty of access to the front porch through the new doors that we're going to put in through the living room. We're also going to replace these single paned wood windows that are half rotted out and have lead in them with some new energy efficiency, high performance windows that are passive house rated. Also notice up here, we've got some of the same issues that we had in the foyer. These are 2x6 floor joists, which are good enough for ceilings, but not good enough for floors. What happened here is you can see off to the left, there's like a little gap in the ceiling, about 2 inches. So we're going to come back here with either new 2x8s or new 2x10s, make sure it's properly spanned, because we want to make sure that there are no structural issues, no movement whatsoever in this house. Here's a fun fact. One of the things that I learned about 20 years ago as a home performance contractor is if you see cobwebs in your house, that's a sign of air leakage. Because what the spiders want to do is they want to put these cobwebs where there's be insects flying around or bugs coming in or out of your building envelope. So this right here is a sign that you probably have some sort of air coming through the wall. And if you see right behind it, there actually is a crack in the wall. And that's a great place for air to come through. So you've got some drafts, and also where bugs and insects can come through. Even though most of the finishes in this house are, pretty much trashed over the years, there are some fun vintage finds that we found. So this is an HVAC grill. There's probably lead paint on it. We'll double test that to make sure that there isn't. But if there isn't, this looks like something that'll be a fun restoration project where we can reinstall it to kind of bring some of the old history and character back into the house after renovation. That's all we have for the office slash sunroom as part of this part of the tour. See you guys in the next room.